Here is a beginner-level Research and Development Manager Quiz that covers technology scouting and external collaboration, failure analysis and experimental learning, and future market trend prediction. Let's go! Question 1. What is the primary goal of technology scouting in R&D? A. Increasing supply chain costs. B. Reducing company workforce. C. Enhancing customer service experience. And D. Identifying and adopting emerging technologies. Answer: identifying and adopting emerging technologies. Question 2. Which of the following is a key activity in technology scouting? A. Optimizing company tax returns. B. Managing daily company operations. C. Monitoring new scientific discoveries and startup innovations. And D. Hiring employees for production roles. Answer: monitoring new scientific discoveries and startup innovations. Question 3. Why do companies collaborate with universities and research institutions? A. To gain access to cutting-edge research and new talent. B. To replace in-house R&D teams. C. To increase production efficiency. And D. To reduce legal obligations. Answer: to gain access to cutting-edge research and new talent. Question 4. Which type of external collaboration is common in R&D? A. Customer complaint resolution programs. B. Joint ventures and technology partnerships. C. Employee satisfaction surveys. And D. Warehouse management improvements. Answer: joint ventures and technology partnerships. Question 5. What is the role of open innovation in R&D? A. Encouraging knowledge sharing and external partnerships. B. Keeping all research activities confidential. C. Avoiding collaboration with competitors. And D. Reducing the scope of research projects. Answer: encouraging knowledge sharing and external partnerships. Question 6. What does failure analysis in R&D focus on? A. Eliminating all risks from research projects. B. Understanding why an experiment or product failed. C. Avoiding any unsuccessful prototypes. And D. Preventing employees from making mistakes. Answer: understanding why an experiment or product failed. Question 7. Why is failure considered a learning opportunity in R&D? A. It shows that R&D is not necessary. B. It indicates that research should be stopped. C. It helps refine future experiments and innovation strategies. And D. It prevents further testing of new ideas. Answer: it helps refine future experiments and innovation strategies. Question 8. Which of the following is a best practice in experimental learning? A. Avoiding innovation if risks are involved. B. Hiding failed results from stakeholders. C. Only testing ideas that are guaranteed to succeed. And D. Documenting failures and analyzing their causes. Answer: documenting failures and analyzing their causes. Question 9. What is the purpose of rapid prototyping in failure analysis? A. To test ideas quickly and refine them based on results. B. To avoid the need for research funding. C. To minimize collaboration with external partners. And D. To increase product costs. Answer: to test ideas quickly and refine them based on results. Question 10. Which of the following is not a benefit of learning from failure in R&D? A. Reducing development risks in future projects. B. Improving problem-solving skills in the research team. C. Stopping all future research activities. And D. Enhancing product quality through continuous improvements. Answer: stopping all future research activities. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What does future market trend prediction involve? A. Analyzing market shifts and emerging technologies. B. Tracking employee attendance patterns. C. Reducing marketing budgets. And D. Increasing production costs. Answer: analyzing market shifts and emerging technologies. Question 12. Why is market trend prediction important for R&D managers? A. It ensures all research is focused on cost cutting. B. It helps them align innovation with future customer needs. C. It eliminates the need for competitive analysis. And D. It reduces the importance of technology scouting. Answer: it helps them align innovation with future customer needs. Question 13. Which of the following is an example of market trend analysis? A. Monitoring changes in consumer behavior and technology adoption. B. Tracking employee work schedules. C. Analyzing production line failures. And D. Reducing investment in innovation. Answer: monitoring changes in consumer behavior and technology adoption. Question 14. What is the role of big data in market trend prediction? A. Focusing only on past market performance. B. Reducing the need for competitor analysis. C. Limiting the use of new technologies. And D. Analyzing large sets of consumer and industry data for insights. Answer: analyzing large sets of consumer and industry data for insights. Question 15. Which type of analysis helps predict emerging market opportunities? A. SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. B. Employee performance reviews. C. Financial risk audits. And D. Office productivity reports. Answer: SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Question 16. Why do companies conduct competitor analysis in R&D? A. To reduce product development efforts. B. To monitor employee behavior. C. To identify gaps in the market and innovate accordingly. And D. To increase legal risks in research projects. Answer: to identify gaps in the market and innovate accordingly. Question 17. Which of the following is a common tool for future trend prediction? A. Market research reports and forecasting models. B. Employee training schedules. C. Office expense tracking tools. And D. Customer complaint management systems. Answer: market research reports and forecasting models. Question 18. How can R&D teams stay ahead of market trends? A. By stopping research once a product is launched. B. By continuously monitoring industry developments and customer preferences. C. By focusing only on internal company feedback. And D. By ignoring new technological advancements. Answer: by continuously monitoring industry developments and customer preferences. Question 19. Which industry relies heavily on future market trend predictions? A. Technology and artificial intelligence, AI. B. Warehouse management. C. Office administration. And D. Human resources. Answer: Technology and artificial intelligence, AI. Question 20. What is the key challenge in predicting future market trends? A. Reducing employee turnover. B. The lack of R&D tax incentives. C. Rapid technological advancements and unpredictable consumer behavior. And D. Expanding office space. Answer: rapid technological advancements and unpredictable consumer behavior. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.